Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano and picking up your laptop. In the previous Cardano video, looking at Cardano's price right now, I have a couple different theories that I'm currently playing with right now. Now, I am taking caution within investing into Cardano at this moment, just to put that out there, because there's a possibility that we could be seeing Cardano come down one more leg down, and the current fifth wave to the downside could still have a little bit more to come down before it completes. So that's what I'm currently thinking, that's one possibility. If not, then there is a possibility that we have completed it, but we're just seeing some more consolidation at this moment. That's the other possibility. And as we had come down and corrected from the wave 5, which for people that are not really familiar, let me kind of just fill everybody in real quick. So as everybody knows, the price of Cardano back in September of 2021 was at a price that was a little bit above $3. And then from that point, after it had gotten the Alonzo hard fork at that time, it had come down after that bullish rally with the whole smart contracts capabilities and things like that. But all that stuff really took time to come out. And what everybody was hoping for was things like scalability and things like that, and a much faster network, and where things could be going with DeFi further on from that. So a lot of things didn't come out, so things just continue to get more and more bearish with Cardano as we move forward through 2021 after that point. So as all crypto was rallying in November, December of 2021, Cardano just kept coming down. So we had seen it come down in wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 that had completed in the end of the first quarter of 2022, and then it had gone up in a wave 4, but at this time, this was where crypto started to get very bearish. And as we really kicked off the second quarter of 2022, Cardano had come down within this wave 5, and this wave 5 was the one that really had Cardano beat up because it took a long time to actually complete. And you can see the subwaves here as these subwaves had played out. This third subwave was the one that really took a lot of time to actually complete. And at that time, we had a 52-week low in the month of October, at the end of October, and then we saw the wave 4 subwave come in real fast, and that had taken the price of Cardano up to around 44 cents. So it was a decent price movement that it had from around the price of 33 cents to 44 cents, and then it had come down with the whole FTX fallout to possibly complete the fifth subwave and complete that wave 5. So that's one possibility that we have completed that. And what we're seeing right now is all part of a possible, say, A, B, C, a corrective wave going on here. And we've reached one of our price predictions that we had, but barely scraped by and actually reached that. And now there's this other price prediction that we have that sometime, say, by the third week of December, all the way through the month of January. It's kind of a long price prediction here that we could be seeing the price of Cardano retrace where it was within at least 50% from this whole FTX fallout, or within 50% of the wave 5 subwave, the fifth subwave that had come down. So there's that theory there, and that would take the price of ADA upwards between the price of 36 cents to around 38 cents as a possibility. Now, this is a possibility, but as we look at the way that we've been consolidating here and trading sideways, we really haven't seen much of a recovery with ADA from the 52-week low from the possible wave 5. If we were to look at how things have been lining up here, the price from that low point, from that 52-week low to where it is right now, it's only moved a little bit less than 4% from where it is right now. So there is a lot of pressure that could be sitting the price of ADA down one more time, especially if we look at these other lower candlesticks and how low did they go. They came very close within range of the 52-week low. So that's why I'm thinking that we could easily have this one more leg down. We might see the price come up a little bit and then come down one more time. And if it was to come down one more time, I'm thinking that we could be seeing ADA go to, say, closer within that range of seeing it go to 29 cents probably a little bit lower, or even a possibility of seeing it go to 26 to 25 cents as a possibility. And the easiest way to really look at that is just by looking at the Fibonacci retracement from what we currently have. If we were to just take the Fibonacci retracement tool and align it where it's at, up within this wave 4. Now, as you can see from the wave 3 to the wave 4, that's a 50% move there. But if we look at where the wave 5 currently is, that is at a lower Fibonacci level. That would make sense that move is low enough. But at the same time, it hasn't lined up right at 29 cents. Its 52-week low is at about 29.5 cents. So there's a possibility we could see it just come down slightly lower as one possibility, but also we can't really rule out the possibility it's going to go somewhere within this 26 cent price range as another possibility, just to come down a bit lower to complete that wave 5. And that's one theory that we could be seeing also happen here. So if we're going to be bullish on Cardano, it's best to really wait for some more confirmation, in my opinion. And that's why I'm trying not to really purchase too much this moment. I'm still slowly buying for the potential that we would be seeing. Of course, ADA makes some pretty good gains as we move forward through 2023 and 2024, hopefully. But at the same time, if there's a possible lower price to go, that's where that caution is for me. So that's why I'm approaching all this with caution and just not really investing too much. Even though I'm accumulating, I'm slightly accumulating. And really, I think that there could possibly be a much better opportunity to watch where ADA could be going. And there's just a lot of fear out there in the market. A lot of that fear has to do with the whole situation with DeFi, just like what we're seeing with Solana. And like Charles Hoskinson was recently talking about maybe Solana joining Cardano and being another layer within the chain. That's something that they're thinking that could happen. But of course, we'd have to see what Solana would say about it. But the fear with DeFi right now is one of the things that is creating so much caution. And that's why there's this possibility that we could be seeing, ADA coming down a little bit lower just because of possible regulations within DeFi and within crypto and things like that could possibly be hurting it a bit more, because it is one of the altcoins that has really come down significantly. Some people are saying that there's easy 10x gains with Cardano, but that's kind of a wild prediction to say that it can happen anytime soon, because it's come down so fast that the odds of seeing it retrace as much as it's come down within a year anytime soon, it's going to be way out there. You're looking at 2024, 2025 to start seeing more of that actually take place. But in so of a short-term prediction here, if we were to see this C wave actually be the one that's going to happen here, as far as a potential price move with this current price that we're at right now with ADA, that could be a decent sized price move, and we could be seeing it go somewhere within the 20% to even 25% gain to see a 50% retracement. So if we're looking at the short term, if that's a possibility, then that could be a pretty good gain. But at the same time, you would have to keep in mind that if we were to come down a bit lower here, if we were to come down from where we're at right now and go within that range of, say, 29 cents, then we could be looking at a loss of another 5%. Or if we were to come down to 25%, we could be looking at a loss of 15, 16%. So it's all about how you want to play your cards, and that's I guess that's just the game of crypto right now. Now, as far as some other details with Cardano, we are seeing a bit of growth here within the amount of total value locked of actual ADA tokens. We've been seeing that here slowly increase through the month of December. So that is one thing that is a bit bullish here with Cardano, is that, and a lot of this has to do with the stable coins that are coming out on Cardano, which a lot of people are hopeful that is going to create an opportunity to see some more price gains. But anyways, that's the update for Cardano right now. I'm sorry that there are two different possibilities, but there's always two different possibilities. There's always an up or down situation. And at least right now, with these multiple candlesticks leaning down, leaning to the downside, we have to, of course, keep our options open about where the price could go. So sorry for not such a bullish video, but at some point I expect that that bottom will come in. We're very close to it, and it's just a matter of time until we can confirm that we have reached it. So with that being said, if you like content like this and you're not already subscribed, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and I talk about many other altcoins as well. Been talking about Cardano quite a bit here. So if you want to stay up to date, please do consider subscribing. And of course, a like does go a long way. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.